Okay, standard 5 here is a question 7. Find the LCM of the following using division method. So let's start solving. We will solve first B part. Okay, we will start solving from B part. Here is the B part. Okay, B part is 14, 15, 21 and 28. So this is called our division method, when we take all the numbers at the same time and then find out its their prime factors. Okay, so let's start. So this is 14 and the last digit is 4. It means divisible by 2. This is 15, last digit is 5. It means divisible by 5, and 1 plus 5 equals to 6. It means divisible by 3. 21 divisible by 3. 28 in last digit 4 divisible by 2. So we will take the smaller one. So we will take the smaller one, 2. Okay, so 2. So 2 sevens are 14. 15 will be written as it is because it is not divisible by 2. 21 is written as it is, then 28. So we don't know where the 28 is occur in the table of 2. So we will divide it into two parts. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Okay, next is 7, 15, 21 and 14. So 7 is divisible by 7, 15 is divisible by again 3, 21 is divisible by 3 and 14 is divisible by 2. So again we will take the smaller one, so we will take 2. Okay, so 7 is written as it is, 15 and 21 is written as it is, so 2 sevens are 14. Now 7, okay, 7, 3, 15 is divisible by 3, 2 is 21 is divisible by 3 and 7 is divisible by 3 and 15 is also divisible by 5. So we will take the smaller one, so we will take the 3. Okay, here is 3. Okay, so 3 7 is written as it is, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 and 7 is written as it is. Now so 7 5 7, so we will take 5. Okay, because 5 is smaller than 7, so 7 is written as it is, 5 ones are 5, 7 is written as it is, and then 7 is written as it is. So again 7 से अब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 7 1 is 7, 1 is written as it is. Okay, again 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. So here is क्या हमारी प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60 एंड यहाँ तक हमारे पास 60 आ गया. एस 67 आर 420. ओके, आपने जो है वो यू कैन से मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लेनी है. मैंने डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको करके दिखाई है, आप रफ पोर्शन पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके देन ये वाला आंसर फाइंड आउट करो. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Here is the next part, D part. Okay, B and D part आपने सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन 7 का. So let's start. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, आपने जब क्वेश्चन को कब स्टॉप करना है, जब ऑल आर इक्वल्स टू 1. ओके, जब 1 के इक्वल आ जाएंगे वी नीड टू स्टॉप द क्वेश्चन, स्टॉप सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 12 divisible by 2, divisible by 2, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So we will take 2 smaller, so 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 12, 6, 2 8s are 16 and 39 is written as it is. Again divisible by 2, divisible by 13, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Again we will take 2 smaller, so 2 3s are 6, 13 is written as it is, 4s are 8 and 39 is written as it is. Again 3 is divisible by 3, 13 is divisible by 13, 4 is divisible by 2 and 39 is divisible by 3. So we will take 2, this one is smaller, so 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2. Okay, this one. Now 3 divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 13. So we will take 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 13 will be written as it is. Okay, ये जो 1 हमारे पास आया है वो ऑलवेज जब तक क्वेश्चन स्टॉप नहीं होगा वो ऐसे ही 1 रिटर्न होगा. Okay, so next is 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So again 13, so 1 is written as it is, 13 1s are 13, 1 is written as it is, 13 1s are 13. Now write down all the prime factors here. Okay, and then multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 and 48 13s are 624. ओके, सो आपने जो है वो अगेन आई एम रिमाइंडिंग यू कि आपने जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो यहाँ पे करनी है. ओके, मैंने डायरेक्ट की है, आपने जो है वो रफ पोर्शन पे, रफ साइड पे, अपने पेज के रफ साइड पे करनी है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हैव सॉल्व आवर क्वेश्चन 7. ओके, क्वेश्चन 4 5 and 7 of exercise number 2B. You have to solve all these questions on your notebooks and then send the picture in our group. Allah Hafiz.